How to hide names and messages on WhatsApp notification bar on Android devices. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Long press on your WhatsApp in this way. Different options will pop up. Select the option of app info, open it. Now you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here you can find the option of notifications, open it. Make sure you have toggle on for this option all WhatsApp notifications. Now scroll down. Go to this option of Message Notifications, open that option. Scroll down. Over here you will find the option of Pop on Screen. Make sure you have toggle on for this option when device is unlocked, so notifications as a banner across the top of the screen. Now scroll down, hit towards this option of Lock Screen, open it. Set it to show sensitive content only when unlocked. With that, you are good to go. Now, whenever you will get message on your WhatsApp, you will get notification in your lock screen in this way, but the name and message will be hidden. So this is how you can hide name and message on WhatsApp notification bar on Android devices. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.